Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on how to do slow-mo effect on Capcut. If you'd like to give your video that you are editing on Capcut a smooth slow-mo effect, then you can do it with the speed menu on Capcut. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open Capcut application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the application on your device, make sure you have first. Now soon after you open up the app, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface displayed on your screen. Click on New Project in order to create a new project on Capcut. This will take you to your camera roll. Now simply choose one of the video that you'd like to slow-mo and tap on it in order to select it. Tap on Add at the bottom right corner in order to add the video to your editing screen. Now, you can mute the video by tapping on the Mute Clip Audio option displayed right here. Once you tap it on, the sound has been turned off for your original video. Now, you can simply go ahead and find the part from where you'd like to do the slow-mo effect. Let me simply go to this part over here and tap on the screen once. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see numerous of options. Tap on Split and split the video into half. Once you've done that, you'll need to find and cut one more part of the video as the end of the slow motion effect and tap on it one more time. Tap on Split at the bottom left, and there you have cut out a part of the video that you'd like to slow-mo. Select the part that you've cut, and once it is selected, tap on the speed button at the bottom of the screen. From the two options displayed, click on Normal. Now, slide the speed point to the left in order to slow down the motion of the video. For example, I've set my speed to 0.1 times slower. Now, after you're done, tap on the check mark at the bottom right corner to apply the slow motion effect. Finally, after you're done, you can check the video how it worked out by clicking on the play button, and there you'll be able to see your video on slow motion. That is how it is done. Now, simply go and tap on this arrow button at the top right corner of the screen, which is facing upward, and you can select the resolution for your video, select the frame rate, and tap on Export at the bottom of the screen in order to export it on your camera roll. Wait for a few seconds until it completes the operation. And now, your video has been saved to your device. You can also share your video with your friends on social media displayed on the screen. That is how you can easily make a slow-mo video on Capcut. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.